Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by stripping the bed and confirming the queen mattress is oriented correctly. This avoids uneven hems later. Next, put on a mattress protector for hygiene and to stabilize the surface. Once the protector is smooth, take the fitted sheet, align its seams with the mattress edges, and pull each corner over one corner at a time to prevent puckers. Make sure the elastic sits under the mattress snugly so the sheet won't ride up during the rest of the build. You now lay the flat sheet with the finished edge toward the headboard, giving a straight visual line. Smooth the sheet down and tuck the foot end roughly, then execute hospital corners. Lift the side fabric, fold the foot excess up in a 45-degree triangle, tuck the hanging flap under, and drop the triangle down and tuck. Repeat both sides. Once the sheet is secure, place your blanket or duvet centered over the bed, smoothing from center to edges to eliminate lumps and maintain even warmth distribution. You finish by prepping pillows. Give them firm upward strokes to fluff, then place 2 sleeping pillows against the headboard and a decorative pillow up front for balance. If you use a duvet, zip the cover closed and shake vigorously, then clap the corners to help the fills settle evenly. Finally, smooth the top layer from the center outward with your hands. If creases persist, use a fabric steamer or a light spray and pat to relax fibers. Troubleshooting tip: if corners pop out, use sheet suspenders or non-slip grips to secure the fitted sheet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.